Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to use Instagram countdown sticker in Instagram stories. For that we need to click on Instagram account, and here we need to click on tap on your story. I was tapping on your story, and here I was clicking on to make a story. I was clicking on camera, and I was taking a picture, and here we need to tap on display stickers. After text we have that, tap on that. After that we need to scroll down. Here you will see the countdown. I was typing that countdown, so you will see here countdown. We need to I was typing that happy birthday. Here I was setting the time of Jan 6th, so I was um, activated like this. We have 9 hours 29 minutes to Jan 6th date. Now time was 2:30, so I was clicking on done. So I was putting a story like this. We can do countdown on Instagram story. Thank you.